Hail Wall Street Willie, what is Buy Now Pay Later? Buy Now Pay Later, or BNPL, is an increasingly popular way to make payments, especially for online purchases. It's a type of short-term financing, also known as a point-of-sale installment loan. Instead of paying the full amount when the purchase is made, Buy Now Pay Later allows consumers to split up the purchase amount into smaller, usually interest-free installments paid over time. This facility is offered by third-party companies such as PayPal, Affirm, Klarna, Afterpay, etc. How does BNPL work? Can you give me an example? Often, Buy Now Pay Later uses a pay-in-4 model, where the purchase is split up into 4 equal installments that are paid every 2 weeks, with the first one paid at the time of the purchase. For example, if you're buying a $200 microwave using BNPL at checkout, you would pay for the microwave in 4 interest-free installments of $50 each. You'll pay $50 today and then another $50 every 2 weeks for 6 more weeks. If the payments are not made on time or the balance is not paid in full before the interest-free period ends, BNPL vendors could charge late fees and interest. How can I use Buy Now Pay Later? Often, when checking out at many major retailers, alongside the option to pay using debit or credit cards, you will see an option to break up the purchase into smaller installments. This is Buy Now Pay Later. If you choose to use this option, you will be asked to fill out a short form with your personal information like name, address, social security number, etc. After that, the BNPL provider may run a soft credit check, and you will very likely be approved in a matter of seconds as long as you don't have terrible credit. Once approved, you'll make the first payment, around 25% of the total purchase amount. You will then pay the balance in a series of interest-free installments using a check or by setting up automatic payments from your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.